Hey people! So there is this page that I came across on Instagram called Hello Tempe Hyderabad. You know, like now tempeh is something that is made out of chickpeas. Chickpeas are chole. So it is like, ever since I turned a vegan, that has been like 8 years, 9 years ago, it's been my mission, life's mission to popularize vegan alternatives. So the fact that something like tempeh, which is mostly a South Asian delicacy, I mean, it's made out of chickpea. Like how in Middle East you have pita bread, right? This thing, but this chickpea is more like tofu. You know, tofu as in soya paneer. So tempeh Hyderabad, yeah, I wish I had the product with me. I would have shown it to you all, but really it is like mouth watering type. So mouth watering as in it is when you're eating it, you know that you're eating something healthy, which may not be the case with when you're eating non-veg, or like here it is like goodness of the earth. So thank you this Hyderabad based company, yeah, that they've launched in the city, because it's more people need to be introduced to vegan alternatives, to meat. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.